In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track changes and view sheet activity in Smartsheet so you never miss an update on your projects. Whether you're managing a team, collaborating with clients, or simply want better visibility into what's happening inside your sheet, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. By the end of this video, you'll have automatic alerts set up so you're notified whenever anything changes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tips and productivity tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Smartsheet account and open the sheet where you want to track changes. This can be any active project sheet where multiple collaborators are making updates. Once you're inside the sheet, make sure you're in grid view so you can clearly see all rows and columns. Now, to start tracking changes automatically, look toward the top menu and click on Automation, then select Create from Template. This option allows you to quickly set up pre-built workflows without starting from scratch. A panel will open showing different automation templates. From the list, click on Alert Someone when anything changes. This template is specifically designed to notify you or your team whenever edits are made to the sheet, including row updates, new entries, or modifications to existing data. After selecting the template, click on Use Template. This will load the automation workflow into the editor so you can customize it based on your needs. Next, click on Customize Message. Here you can adjust the subject line and body of the notification email. I recommend adding clear wording like Sheet Updated, along with dynamic fields such as row details, so recipients immediately understand what changed. Customizing the message helps reduce confusion and ensures your team takes action quickly. Now scroll down to the delivery settings and click on Send to Specific People. This is where you define exactly who should receive notifications when changes happen. Click on Add a Name or Email and type in the email addresses of the team members you want to notify. You can add multiple recipients depending on your workflow. If you're managing the sheet, you might want to include yourself so you always have a record of updates. Once you've added the recipients and reviewed the workflow settings, click Save. Your automation is now active. From this point forward, whenever anything changes in the sheet, the selected people will automatically receive a notification. In addition to automation alerts, you can also manually review sheet activity at any time. Simply click on the Activity tab at the bottom or side panel of your sheet. This log shows a detailed history of edits, including who made the change, what was modified, and the exact timestamp. This is incredibly useful for auditing updates, resolving discrepancies, or tracking accountability within your team. By combining automated alerts with the activity log, you get complete visibility into your Smartsheet projects. You'll always know what changed, when it changed, and who made the update. This not only improves transparency, but also helps your team stay aligned and responsive. And that's it. You now know how to track changes and view sheet activity in Smartsheet using automation and the activity log. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step Smartsheet tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.